write an equation in slope-intercept form. So that's y equals mx plus b for the line that contains a point and is parallel to the given line. So we're given a point and a line, and we want to use the slope from this line because parallel lines have the same slope. So all I need from this is the 2, and I don't care about anything else. I don't need this other information. So I'm just going to write what the slope is and ignore the rest. So we're going to use our point slope formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And so when you're given the point, you can go ahead and label it x1, y1. And so all we do is we're going to take the m of 2, put it here. We're going to take the x1 of 2, put it here, and we'll take the y1, 4, and substitute it in here. So the y, the first y and this first x don't change. So we get y, and so y1 is 4, so it's just y minus 4. Our slope is 2. Our x1 is 2. And so remember, our goal is to have y by itself. So before we add 4, we need to get rid of the parentheses, and we're going to do that by distributing. So we get 2 times x, which equals 2x, and now 2 times 2, which equals minus 4. Bring this down, y minus 4. Now to solve it, all we do is add the 4 to both sides. These drop out, and so we get y equals 2x, and negative 4 plus 4 gives us 0. So if you want, you can write the 0, or you could just leave it as y equals 2x. So we're going to try number 6 now. Now as we're doing this review, it's a good idea is to pause the video, try it on your own, then come back and check your answers. If you just copy the problems down, you're not going to be ready for the test. Alright, so now notice that this equation that's given to us is not in slope-intercept form. So we need to rewrite it in slope-intercept form. So let's just minus the 6x from both sides. Now even though I write it underneath the 6, we're not going to be able to combine anything because they don't have like terms. So when you just bring the 3y down, and don't forget about the negative, so we have minus 3y equals negative 6x plus 6. And so now we need to get rid of the negative 3 in front. So divide everything by a negative 3. And so this becomes y equals a negative divided by a negative gives us a positive 2x. Positive divided by a negative is a negative 2. And so like the last example we did, we only care about the slope. So I only care about this 2 here. So the slope that I'm going to need is m equals 2. This is the point we're going to use, x1, y1. So now let's write our point slope formula, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we're going to take this m, substitute it here. We're going to take the x1 value that was given to us, put it here, and we'll take the y1 and put it here. Alright, so now let's put in our values. So we have y, the y1 is negative 3, and so this becomes minus negative 3, 2, x minus, and the x1 is 1. And so when you minus a negative, it really turns into a plus 3. Now distribute. So we have 2x minus 2 Now we need to get 3 to the other side. And so now we just minus 3 from both sides. And so this goes away, y equals 2x minus 5.